Hi, this weekend, a cable news legal expert referenced the Vacancies Reform Act as a means of allowing the president to transition to a new acting attorney general when he replaces Attorney General Sessions. Is she right? Of course she is right. She has a smart legal mind. Let's take a look. The Vacancies Reform Act of 1998 establishes requirements for temporarily authorizing an acting official to perform the functions and duties of certain vacant positions that require presidential appointment and Senate confirmation. The Act generally limits the period of time that such a position may be filled with an acting official to 210 days, beginning on the date the vacancy occurs, not when the official began serving in the acting capacity. In the year of a transitional presidential inauguration, that time period is extended to 300 days after the vacancy occurs, with respect to any vacancy that exists during the 60-day period beginning on the transitional inauguration date. Once a nomination has been made, the acting official generally may continue to serve while the nomination is pending before the Senate. So, if the Senate delays the president's nomination of a permanent, not an acting AG, the acting AG may remain beyond the time limits imposed by the statute. The Comptroller General is required, upon a determination that an acting official has served longer than the allowable period of service, to report such findings to Congress, the President, and the Office of Personnel Management. The Vacancy Act provides that only 3 classes of people may serve temporarily in an advice and consent position. First, as a default rule, the first assistant to a position will automatically become the acting officer. But alternatively, the president may direct either a senior official of that agency or a person serving in any other advice and consent position to serve as the acting officer. So the president can replace the current attorney general with the current attorney general's first assistant, the deputy attorney general, or another senior official at the agency, or a person serving in another executive branch position that requires Senate approval. My guess is that the deputy attorney general will not be the president's choice. I think it will be another senior executive branch person currently serving outside of the Department of Justice. So if the Vacancies Act requirements are strictly followed, the president will be able to appoint an acting attorney general to replace the current attorney general and ensure a smooth transition, all without the approval of the Senate, or at least without the initial approval of the Senate. Of course, he must pick wisely in order to ensure that an acting attorney general will not act solely in the interests of the deep state. The president must have an attorney general that he has confidence in. Clearly, he does not have confidence in the current attorney general or his deputy. Well, I hope this helps. Have a good day.